Hey guys, it's Crispy Driver, and we're here in Elizabethtown, Indiana for the Severed in the Midwest Car Show. There are a ton of slam trucks, cars, and all kinds of hot rods in here. I can't wait to show you. So if you like this video, please leave me a like. If you subscribe, just know that I appreciate it. And have yourself a wonderful day. So guys, I'm pretty excited for this car show because I tell you what, every car I've seen so far has been insane. Like, look at this C10 truck. Absolutely slammed to the nuts. Fix my camera here. First car, I gotta fix all the cameras. There we go. There we go, now we can see. Check that thing out. Damn, son. Woo. We gotta check the back out. Yo, that's sweet. I'm loving that. We'll switch around here. Got a slammed out Harley Davidson edition F-150. Slammed out Chevy truck. Love those wheels. Those wheels are sick. Oh, damn. Nice. Slick. Like, not even sure what I'm looking at here, guys. Buick. It's nice. Check out this F-150. Big swing. Ooh, nice. Check out this mini truck here. What? Okay. Hell yeah. Nice Impala. Chevy Silverado. Look at the wheels on that one. Shoo. Hella big. Big old Tahoe. Nice. I don't think we've seen this many slammed out vehicles anywhere. This is awesome. Check out this bad boy. Love that purple. But can we get it in purple? Nice. Oh yeah. Nice mint teal. Real nice. This is Blazer, guys. I don't think it gets much lower than that. Nice. Heck yeah. On the Hydros, the mystery machine. Nice. That's sick. Man, slammed out dually. That is sick. And wheels. Hell yeah. Ooh, nice. Supercharged LT4 down in there. That's awesome. Nice. Love that. Heck yeah. I think this is a Nissan. Nice. Sure I'm not getting ran over here. That is slick. I like that a lot. That's awesome. This one here. Shoot, he bare bones. Nice. That's sick. That's a Toyota. Check him out. Nice. I had to get a good shot of that one there. Looks good. Looks good. I'm out here washing them a little bit. Check this bad boy out. Woohoo! Nice. Looks slick. Oh yeah. Hey, he's got a wood bit. Check that out. Nice. Love how the license plate on it is like he had to put it above the bed to make it work. That's awesome. Slammed out 280S. Woo! Who's got the money to slam out Mercedes out here? Gosh. That looks good too. Guess that's Scottsdale. Dragging the rear end too. Nice. Nice Suburban. Good old Kia Shoal over there. We'll catch him. All right, guys, we made it in. Got this Silverado here. Nice. Hell yeah. That's awesome. I like that a lot. Do a little walk backwards walking. Nice. Mazda. Love how that bed's set up on there. That's pretty slick. Like that. Good old Buick. Slammed out. Nice Chevy Silverado. Woo-hoo. They got the wood on the caddy. Is that a thing? Putting wood on the caddy? We put wood on the caddy? Never seen that before, but hey, you know. Look at this. 4-door Dakota. But it's got the like vinyl roof type thing. That's slick. I've never seen nobody do something like that with them. That's pretty cool. Nice Sonoma. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Ooh, I like that. Got like a flaked pattern on that. Get that up close picture here. That's pretty cool. C10 truck. Love when they put like large white wheels on them. It ties them together a little bit. And they got that like real clean white on like the patina. Looks good.
It shows that it's not, that the patina is intentional.
Yeah, it's part of it. Nice Cadillac. That is boss right there. It's another patina C10. There ain't no patina on this one. Ooh, look at that. Purple. That is awesome. Loving that. Gotta check out the rear end. Love how these are built. I think one day we could build something like this, but it'll be down the road when we have money. Never gonna have money. Not as long as we got project cars. Nice. Dango, bam! Now that's what you do something with. Big diesel truck. You gotta get some actual tires on it. Hell yeah. Like that. Right? Yeah, it's nice Sierra. Love that. Love the black and the silver. Nice. Looks good. We got a Raptor here. Whoops, supercharged at least. I don't know that it's a Raptor necessarily, but gotta have a Lexus if we're gonna have slammed trucks or slammed cars. You know there's gonna be a Lexus. Nice STI though. Shoo, bud. Digging that. I think this is a Scion. Yeah, like a TC. Loving those wheels though. Look at the wheels on that bad boy. Nice. Ooh, we got the suicide doors on this one. Check that out. That looks awesome. I've always wanted to do suicide doors on something. I think they would look really cool, but I know it's a real pain to get it done and then have them actually line up where you want them to line up. Nice. And I start with nice. Sorry guys, I've been made aware that I say nice a little too much. So I need you guys to tell me in the comments, what other words would you use to describe these trucks and cars we're seeing today? Dank. I like dank.
This is Crispy's wife. Let's just make up words that we take and now they mean nice. So Chris has something to use.
Nice. That or you guys can make a drinking game out of how many times I say nice and then never wake up again. No lawsuits though. Crispy did not tell you to drink. We spotted this one coming in. I had to get it. Look, we got to check this out. It's got 8 Mile Road with Shaggy. Nice. That's wicked. Got Shaggy and the whole gang. Nice. Had to check all this out. I love it. Somebody put a lot of time and hard effort into this. And it's got the leather top too. You see that?
Incredibly creative.
Club 54. Nice. That's awesome. I like that a lot. Let's check this Ford F100 out. Nice.
We made these here.
This Ford Coupe. Nice. Check that out. That blue and that white. Ooh. That is. I almost said it again. I'm trying not to say nice, guys. I'm going to come up with other words. That is clean, is what that is. That's just clean. Loving it. Love it. Nice. Check this thing out. Y'all. What? That is cool. Somebody over there showing off in their diesel truck. I don't think these guys care much. That is awesome. Oh, wow. I didn't even see that. Tequila Sunrise. Nice. This was called Tequila Sunrise. Look at the wheel on that. That's crazy. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. Not very effectively. The wheel. Like the steering wheel and the shifter. Like, that's so cool. The whole truck is cool. That is amazing. Oh, and it does have... Is that... Yeah, it's got like suicide doors. That's sweet. I didn't even notice that on the first look. Like, comes out on that. That's awesome. Nice Cheyenne truck. Swing over here. Catch this monster. This thing was nuts coming in. You guys heard it. It's awesome. Nice. It's a 66 Corvair. See it right there. Rattle can rat is what it's called. Nice. Looks good. Looks good. I'm gonna switch hands again. Sorry. I know. I need one of them arm things. Hold my arm up. Those little robots. Nice. Jimmy with Corvette calipers on there. Nice. Like, he's so low, the fender, and look how the wheel's so close to the fender. Like, clearance of like centimeters. That's awesome. Loving this. Rooster. Oh, that's sick. I love this. Got a Marine Corps bumper sticker. Lead follower, get out of the way. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. We got to see the back end of this thing. This is too cool. That is so cool. We got to check out the back end. Look at that. That's sick. Oh yeah. That's one of my favorites so far. I like that. Nice. Slimmed out Cadillac. Nice. Hell yeah. We'll kind of cut this way and that way. Oh, that guy's got a drone. Nice. Check out this Volkswagen bus here, guys. That is sick. Well, I guess a van. Sorry, van. I said bus. That is so cool. There's your air conditioning right there, boys. That is so cool. I want one of these so bad. I don't know that I would slam it out like that, but don't want to bump into that glass. Nice. Got the custom paint on this one, guys. It's got like flames in the stripes. Very cool. Got the copyright music going now. Nice Chevy S10. Ooh, look at that LS swap on in there. That one's slick. That's really nicely done. And then that custom fender walls there. Very nice. Nice. Something about a black S10. Just looks good. Yo, what am I looking at here, guys? Yo, it's right-hand drive too. Nice. That is slick. Nice. Got the bed all hydroed out. That sucker's looking slick. Heck yeah. That oatmeal cream pie is holding that one up. Oatmeal cream pies held me up a lot too, all right? Oatmeal cream pies holds us all up. I see. Nice. The S10 and the Sonoma seem to be a fan favorite here. Nice. Oh. Why would they put a speed bumps in a slammed out show? That's not good. Nice. We got a ton of stuff out here, guys. This is all awesome. I really do wish I knew more about, the slam culture and stuff. Like growing up in the 90s, slam culture was basically just lowriders and pinstriping and so forth. And it's changed over the decades to mean a whole lot of different stuff. So I definitely need to, immerse myself more in this culture so I understand better, what I'm actually looking at. Because I might think it's cool, but I don't know what I'm looking at, guys. So check out this bad boy.
I thought the bed of this one was a hot tub when we walked by it on the other side.
Nope, unfortunately not a hot tub, but it is really cool. Got the hydraulics up. Check out this, matching bicycle. That's slick. We're gonna get a low shot for that one. Nice. Dang, that looks awesome. Switch hands again. Nice. Hell yeah. It's nice Chevelle here. Woo. Loving it. Loving it, loving it. This is sweet. Got the license plate that says Ass Man. Nice. Hell yeah. Nice. This just always blows my mind how close they can get that wheel to that fender and still like drive around and stuff, and it's not an issue. That's so cool. I think that one's more of a little work in progress, but that's all right. Gotta start somewhere. That's a nice Chevy Silverado too. That blue, that's a nice blue. Kind of brown on tan here. Some big black wheels. Nice. Look at that paint on that. That is beautiful. Gorgeous. String around the back here a little bit. Sorry guys, just had to check out that Camaro. That thing looks so good. Love that paint, the sparkle in the paint. Now, I don't know what I'm looking at here, guys, but this thing is sweet. Goodness. Oh, it does have a card. It is a 1975 Capri. Built by those dudes. Check that out. What in the world are you going to do with that steering wheel? Look at that little guy. That little guy right there. Don't worry about that little guy. It is awesome. Love that. Scarlet Lover. Nice. It's slick. I like that. Now we gotta check out this here. Like a farm truck style build. I like this. Heck yeah. Load the kids and the boys up in that one. Nice. I know it doesn't come through as well on the camera, guys. So some of the paint on these cars is insanely done. Like, so well done. The suicide doors on that one, too. Nice. Hell yeah. I like purple. Oh, nice. Love the graphics and stuff on it too. I think he's even got a little bit of the that pattern on the dash. That's slick. I almost didn't think that was part of the show for a second. He has pretty decent wheels on it. I don't know what else he's done to it though. Chevy Silverado. Seen him flipping in here too. This thing is so cool. Love that. Man. So you wouldn't think a station wagon could look mean, but man, that thing looking mean right there. That is good looking. I don't want to miss these here. Nice. Vortex supercharged. 5.0. Convertible. And we saw this one, I think. No, I saw this one at the Streetcar Takeover. Streetcar Takeover. He came into that. That's what it was. Okay, check out this Slam Dually, dude. I love Slam Dualies. I don't know why. Just think it's really cool. It probably makes it to where they're useless for anything real job-wise, but I still think they look cool. I think it's slick. And then you got this bad boy. Nice. Love that red. I know that truck. I ain't no stranger. It's a Ford Ranger. Ford Ranger. Nice. Love that lime green. Look at that. I love that Challenger. Street Arrow, nice. That is slick. Love that. Look at that paint on that one. That's pretty slick. Look at that GMC Denali back there. They say he didn't quite catch the memo. Nice. Those look good though. Oh. Nice. Hell yeah. Ford F-350 dually slammed out. Nice. Not even sure what I'm looking at here, guys, but I doubt it's what I think it is. But look at the interior on there, though. Love that interior. That suede leather, nice. Nice Momo seat, too. Ride down on bags. Sheba. That's slick. I like that. I like that a lot. Crazy, crazy custom paint on this Ford. Nice. Looks good. Nice C10. Crazy good looking. Definitely got the patina. Like he had invented the word patina. Another dually. That one's not quite as low. Still got some cool wheels though. Look at this Tahoe. Shoot. Nice. Nice. Slick Silverado here. Oh yeah. Forbidden Fantasy. Nice. Look at this Chevy over here. This thing's wicked. A two-tone with the white and the black. Nice. That is slick. You gotta check out this Ford. Nice. With the full work bed with the nice. That looks slick. All right, we caught him pulling in, so we gotta come check him out. Nice. Oh yeah. Damn. Nice. Got like the anime paint job going on there. It's pretty slick. I love this Challenger. I don't really care what anybody says. This thing looks slick. I like it. I think it's awesome. I had to get some still shots of them since they came rolling in. I'm gonna swing around back. Nice. You can see that paint a little bit better. Kind of do the marker thing. They look like it's coming straight out of a comic book. Looks good. Looks good. Love it. Wanted to come check this out. I like the wood paneling on the side. Well, I guess I could say wood paneling. That is slick. Looks good. Shoot, I like this S15 too. I do. Like them wheels. Like them wheels. Nice. Awesome. That's good. Nice. Letting out the air. Hell yeah. Slick, slick. All right, these cars are actually outside the show, so we're gonna check them out too. Nice. Yo, loving that Cadillac. Says 10. Another gorgeous dually. Gorgeous. I like that. Nice Tahoe. Buick LeSabre. Woo! Gorgeous. Rally Sport Camaro. Wind blowing a little bit. Love how he did the front end on this one. Love how the headlights are on that. That's pretty sick. Ooh. Cadillac is what the license plate says on that one. That's great. Cadillac. Wheels on that bad boy. Phew, bud. Nice. Ooh. Is that a Continental? Yeah. Look at that. Blue. Suicide doors. So guys, that's it for the Severed in the Midwest car show. This thing was awesome. I think we've seen more Slam trucks today than we've seen at any of the other shows we've been to. It was an awesome show, and I can't wait till next year. I'm definitely going to put this on my list of shows to go to. But if you like this video, please leave me a like. If you subscribe, just know that I appreciate it. And until next time, this has been Crispy Driver, and have yourself a wonderful day.